Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will model this cover. As you can see that I have already modeled it, and I will show you from the scratch how you can model this part. I will close this file and create a new file. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can download my tutorial source file from here, tutorial source file page, and you can also support me by buying a cup of coffee on ko-fi.com. Your small support will help these channels to grow, and it will motivate me to create more awesome content on FreeCAD. I thanks to all my supporter, those who have supported me by buying a cup of coffee. So keep supporting, and it will help me to grow this channel, and it will motivate me to create more awesome and useful tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's come back to our tutorial. So here I have created a new file, and I have activated part design workbench, and from here I will create a body, and then I will press a space bar and on the origin plane, and I will select this right plane and click on the sketch, and then I will hide it, and I will select a rectangle tool, create a rectangle, and now select line tool and create a horizontal and vertical line, and trim out the unnecessary geometry. So here what we are doing, we are creating this profile on a right plane, and then we will revolve it around the axis. So let's constrain the dimensions. So select this point and add a horizontal dimension of 57, and move it and add this dimension 18 mm, and this is the 4 mm, and select this line and press Ctrl key and select both the lines and add a equal constraint, and from this point to this point is of 25. So we have a fully constrained sketch, and now we will revolve it around this axis. So we will come out of the sketch, and here select the sketch and click on the revolve tool. So here it is revolve around the Z axis. Now we wanted to revolve around the Y axis, so we will select reference and we will select this Y axis and click on OK. Now we will rotate our body and select this face and click on the sketch. Now we will switch to the isometric for right orientation, and now we will rotate our body, and here we will switch to the wireframe view. Select it and switch to the wireframe, click on project geometry and project this, and we will select a circle tool, create a circle, and select diameter and provide dimension of 102, and we will select it and made it construction, and here we will create circle, and we will select this and add a coincidence, and we will use the trim tool to trim it, and here we will select a diameter option and add a diameter of 20 mm, and now we will select a 3-point arc and create an arc and close the profile. Now switch to the shaded view, and we will extrude it, this profile, to this face. So select sketch, click on extrude, and from here select up to face and select this face. And now here this and this seems to be a separate solid, so we will merge it, select the pad feature and set refine is true. And now we will provide a fillet to these two corners, so we will select the fillet and select this edge and this edge and add a radius of 3 mm. Click on OK, press 0, and now we will switch to the back view, and here we will create a hole of diameter 5.2. so we will select the face and click on the sketch and we will project geometry so that we get a center here, and we will click on the circle and provide the diameter of 5.2. click on close, select the sketch, click on extrude cut and say it through all. Now press 0 for isometric and we will rotate our model, and we will polar pattern this. So we will select the pad, fillet and pocket, and here we will click on a polar pattern. So here pad, fillet and pocket are added, and here I want quantity 3. Click on OK. Now here we will use the refine tool, select the polar pattern, set refine, set true. Now we will press 0 for isometric and switch to the front view, and we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will again rotate our model to set to the front view and click on project geometry. First we will project this outer diameter, and we will project this diameter so that we can get a center. And now here I will select a 3-point arc, and I will select this center and this center and click on merge, and this is of diameter 12. And we will move this arc approximately, and we will create an arc. Select a 3-point arc, select this and create an arc on the both the sides. And now I will select this and add a tangent, select this and add a tangent, and this is of R6, so we will select radius and provide 6 mm, and select this and add equal. And now we will close this profile with a 3-point arc, and now we will see what is unconstrained. So here we will select this and add a tangency, similarly this and add a tangency. So now our profile is fully constrained, and we will create a cut of 8 mm here. So press 0, select the sketch, click on extrude cut and provide the value 8 mm, and now we will polar pattern it. So select the last feature and click on the polar pattern, and provide here quantity 3. And now we will create this boss. So we will select the face and click on the sketch, press 0 for right orientation and switch to the front view, and we will create a circle, and we will again create a circle, and we will select it and made it construction. Go to the diameter and add the diameter of 66, and we will select this and add a coincidence. Now I will select diameter and provide the diameter of 12 mm, and now we will create a solid here by extruding this circle. Select the sketch and click on the pad, and here it is of 2 mm as per our drawing, so we will say OK. And now we will select the pad and click on the circular pattern, and FreeCAD is so smart that it automatically took y-axis, and here I will provide quantity 3, click on OK. And now here we will select the face and click on the sketch, and we will project geometry and create a hole of 4.75. Select diameter, provide 4.75, click on OK. Select the sketch, click on extrude, and from here say it true all. And now we will again polar pattern it, provide the quantity 3, click on OK. So here you will have the options to polar pattern this pad and this hole in a single polar pattern, but here I have used 2. So this is how we have successfully modeled this cover. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.